Om Shanti. 31st January 2021. Today's Avyakt Murli. Original date 25th October 1987. Title of the Murli: Become detached in four things. Become detached in four things. Today, Bap Dada is looking at all his elevated children who are seated on a lotus seat. A lotus seat is a symbol of the elevated stage of Brahmin souls. Baba says a lotus seat is a symbol of the elevated stage of Brahmin souls. A seat is a means of remaining stable. Brahmin souls remain stable in a lotus-like stage, and this is why they are called those seated on a lotus seat. Just as Brahmins become deities, those seated on this seat are then able to sit on a throne. Whether you remain seated on a lotus seat for a long time or a short time, Baba says you will accordingly become one seated on the throne of a kingdom for a long time or a short time. A lotus seat is a symbol of the extremely detached and loving stage like that of Father Brahma. You Brahmin children follow the Father, and this is why you have a lotus seat, the same as the Father. The sign of being extremely detached is that you will be extremely loved by the Father and the whole family. To be detached means, Baba is saying, to be detached means to be detached from everything. First, to be detached from the awareness of one's body. Baba says, worldly souls naturally and constantly have the awareness of their bodies while walking and moving along and performing every action. They don't have to make effort to think that they are bodies. They have that awareness easily without even consciously thinking about it. In the same way, Brahmin soul seated on lotus seat should also easily remain detached from any awareness of the bodies. Just as souls without knowledge remain detached from soul consciousness. Baba is saying, Brahmin soul seated on a lotus seat should also remain detached from any awareness of their bodies, just as souls without knowledge remain detached from soul consciousness. You are soul conscious. Let no awareness of your body pull you towards itself. You saw Father Brahma. Baba is saying, you saw Father Brahma while walking and moving along. He naturally had the angelic and deity form in his awareness. Constantly to have such a soul conscious stage naturally is known as being detached from the awareness of one's body. Only being detached from any awareness of your body will make you loved by God. Second, to remain detached from all the relationships of your body with your drishti, attitude and actions. To remain detached from all the relationships of your body with your drishti, attitude and actions. While seeing bodily relationships, let the soul conscious relationship be naturally in your awareness. This is why Bhaiya Dooj, the occasion of a brother being invited to his sister's place, comes after Diwali. Sorry. When you become a sparkling star or a sparkling eternal lamp, you have the relationship of brotherhood. As souls, You have a brotherly relationship, and as a corporeal Brahmin of the clan of Brahma, you naturally have the pure, elevated relationship of brothers and sisters in your awareness. Baba says, so detachment means to be detached from your body and bodily relationships. Third, to be detached from perishable positions of your body. If a physical position is caused mischief for any of your physical senses, that is, if there is any attraction to it, then there is not detachment. Baba is saying it is easy to be detached from relationships, but attraction to physical things from which you should be detached still remains in a royal way. You were told that a clear form of attraction is desire, but the subtle and deep form of a desire is to like something. You would say, I don't desire, but I like it. This subtle form of liking can also take the form of a desire. So check this very well. Is this physical thing, that is, this means of temporary happiness, pulling me? When a facility is not available at a time you want it, is your spiritual endeavor easy? That is, your stage of easy yoga doesn't fluctuate, does it? You are not influenced by any facility or compelled by your habits, are you? All of those physical facilities are facilities of matter. Baba is saying, you are conqueror of matter. That is, you are Brahmins seated on a lotus seat beyond the support of matter. Together with becoming conquerors of Maya, Baba is saying, together with becoming conquerors of Maya, you also become conquerors of matters. As soon as you become conqueror of Maya, Maya repeatedly tests you in various ways. She sees that her companions are becoming conquerors of Maya, so she gives many test papers. The test paper of matter brings all of you into upheaval through the facilities. Water shortage, for instance, that was not a big paper. However, just as facilities, Baba Singh, however, just as facilities are made with water and facilities are made with fire, in the same way, facilities made with every element of matter are the basis of temporary happiness for human souls in their lives. So, all of these elements will test you. Then, there was just the shortage of water. But when the facilities made with water are not available, that will then be a real test paper. This test paper from the elements will definitely come at their time. This is why you have to become free from being attracted by any positions of your body and remain free from any support of your body. At present, all facilities are easily available to you. There is nothing lacking. However, while all the facilities are available and while you experiment with all the facilities, your stage of yoga should not fluctuate. To experiment as a yogi means to be detached. To be experiment as a yogi means to be detached. When you don't have anything anyway, that is not called being detached. However, whilst having everything, use them for the sake of it and experiment with them without being attracted by them. Do not use them because you want or like them. Definitely Check yourself in this way. Where there is some desire, then no matter how much effort you make, that desire, ichha, will not allow you to become good, acha. Otherwise, at the time of taking a test paper, your time will be spent making effort. Baba is saying, otherwise at the time of taking a test paper, your time will be spent making effort. You will try to be absorbed in making spiritual endeavor, sadhana, but the facilities, sadhan, will attract you to themselves. You will continue to battle and make effort to try and finish the attraction of the facilities, and your time for the test paper will pass by in this tug of war. So, what would the result be then? The facilities with which you experiment make your stage of an easy yogi fluctuate. The test paper from the elements are now going to come at a greater speed. Baba is saying the test papers from the elements are now going to come at a greater speed. Therefore, check in advance. That none of the supports of the physical things like food, drink, clothes, your way of interacting, living and forming connections with others. Check that none of these things take the form of an obstacle even in a subtle way. Try this out now. Do not begin to try when the test paper comes. There would be then the margin of failure. The stage of yoga means to have a detached stage while experimenting. Let the spiritual endeavor of an easy yogi be victorious over the facilities, that is, over matter. Let it not be that you are able to make do without one but not without the other, and that is why your stage fluctuate. Baba says, let it not be that you are able to do without one but not without the other, and this is why your stage fluctuates. That would not be called a detached life. Attain such success that through your success even things unattained give you the feeling of attainment. At the beginning of establishment, in order to test whether they were attracted to things or not, programs were purposely made to test them on this. For instance, for 15 days they were just given millet chapatis. For 15 days they were just given millet chapatis and buttermilk to eat. They had to try this out when Baba is saying they had to try this out when wheat was available. No matter how ill some were, they had to eat just these for 15 days. No one fell ill because of this. Baba is saying those who were asthma patients became well. They had the intoxication that Bab Dada had given that program. On the path of devotion, it is said that poison turned into nectar, but this was buttermilk. Faith and intoxication make you victorious in every situation. Baba is saying, faith and intoxication makes you victorious in every situation. Such test paper will also come. You will just have dry chapatis to eat. At present, you have all facilities. You might say, your teeth are not strong enough. You are unable to digest it. What will you do at that time? When you have faith, intoxication and power from the success of yoga, Even dry chapatis will work like soft chapatis and you won't get upset. If you maintain the pride of being an embodiment of success, no one can then upset you. When lions become like cats in front of hut yogis and snakes become like toys, then none of these things are a big deal in front of you easy Raj Yogi souls who are embodiment of success. Baba is saying, if you have the facilities, use it comfortably, but check that you are not deceived at the time when the time comes. Do not let the situation bring you down from your stage. It is easy to become detached from relationship of your body, but you have to pay a lot of attention to being detached from the things of your body. Fourth, to be detached from your old nature and sanskars. The nature and sanskars of old bodies are very strong. Those two become a big obstacle in becoming a conqueror of Maya. Many times Bab Dada has seen that the snake of an old nature and sanskar finish, but that the line still remains. It repeatedly deceives you at that time when the time comes. Your strong nature and sanskar make you so influenced by Maya that you often don't even consider something wrong to be wrong. The power of realization finishes. In order to be detached from this, you need to have a very good checking. When the power of realization finishes, you have to tell 1,000 lies in order to justify your one lie. You become so influenced. Baba is saying to try to prove yourself right is also a sign of being influenced by your old sanskars. One is to clarify something that is right, and the other is to justify yourself by being stubborn. Those who try to prove themselves right by being stubborn cannot become embodiment of success. You also have to check that not even the slightest trace of any of your old nature or sanskar remains hidden somewhere. Do you understand? Those who are detached in all these four things are said to be loved by the Father and also loved by the family. Have you become those seated on a lotus seat in this way? This is called follow Father. It was when Father Brahma became seated on a lotus seat that he became number one and loved by the Father and also by the Brahmins, whether in the corporeal form or now in the Avyakt form. Even now, what emerges in the heart of each and every Brahmin? Our Brahma Baba. You don't feel that Baba is saying, you don't feel that you didn't see him in the corporeal form. You didn't see him with your eyes, but you saw him with your heart. You saw him with the divine eye of your intellect. You experienced him. This is why every Brahmin says from his or her heart, my Brahma Baba. This is a sign of being loved. Detachment from everything made him loved by the world. So, in the same way, become detached from everything and be loved by all. Do you understand? Those from Gujarat live close by and so they are also close in following. Baba is saying your specialty is to be close both geographically and in your stage. Bap Dada is always pleased to see the children. Acha, to all the detached children everywhere who are loved by the Father and are seated on a lotus seat, to the special souls who are constantly conquerors of Maya and the conquerors of matter, to the faithful children who always follow the Father, Bap Dada's love filled remembrance and namaste. Bap Dada meeting groups of server brothers and sisters who have come to Madhuban. During the time that you spent doing service in Madhuban, did you also experience constant yoga for that time? Your yoga didn't break, did it? To be a server in Madhuban means to experience being a constant and easy yogi. Baba says, you will always remember this experience of a short time, will you not? Whenever any adverse situation comes, just come to Madhuban in your mind. Then by becoming a resident of Madhuban, you will become an easy yogi and the situation or problem will finish. Always keep this experience of yours with you. By remembering this experience, you will receive power. The fruit of service is imperishable. Acha, it is not a small thing to receive this chance. You have received a very big chance. Baba says, a server means one who is always an instrument like the Father, one who remains humble. Humility is the most elevated means of success. In doing any service, humility and being an instrument are the means of success. So, did you serve with these specialities? In doing such service, there is always success and also pleasure. You enjoy the pleasure of the confluence age, and this is why you don't feel service to be service. For instance, when some wrestles, he does that with enjoyment, considering it to be a sport. There is no tiredness or pain in that because he does that considering it to be entertainment and for enjoying himself. In the same way, if you serve with the speciality of a true server, there can then never be tiredness. Do you understand? You will always feel that you didn't do service, but that you were just playing a game. So, whatever service you are asked to do, continue to achieve success with these two specialities. By doing so, you will constantly become an embodiment of success. Acha. True tapasya makes you into real gold, in which there is no mixture for all time. Tapasya always makes each of you so capable that you become successful in your household and also in receiving your reward. Have you become such tapasvis? Those who do tapasya are called Raj Yogis. So, all of you are Raj Yogis. You are not those who would get upset by any situation, are you? So, always check yourself in this way, and then after checking, change yourself. By just checking yourself, you may become disheartened. Baba is saying, you would think, I have this weakness in me, I have this, and I don't know whether I will be able to put it right or not. So, check yourself, and together with checking yourself, also change yourself. Otherwise, you become weak. and the time has passed by, whereas those who do everything according to the time are always victorious. So, are all of you always victorious, elevated souls? Are all of you elevated, or are you number wise? If you were to be asked which number you are, Baba is asking, if you were asked which number you are, all of you would say number 1. However, how many would be that number? 1 or many? Not everyone will become the first number, but Baba is saying, but you can come in the first division. There will only be one who is number 1, but many will come in the first division, and so you can become the first number. There would be only one seated on the throne of the kingdom, but he would have many companions, would he not? So, to become part of the royal family means to claim a right to the kingdom. So, the first division means to make effort to claim number 1. As yet, none of the seats except 2 or 3 have been fixed. You can now make whatever effort you want, however much effort you want. Bab Dada has told you that it is late, but that it is not too late. And this is why everyone has a chance to move forward. Everyone has a chance to win and claim one number. So, let there always be zeal and enthusiasm. Let it not be. Anyone can become number 1. Number 2 is fine for me. Baba is saying this would be called a weak effort. All of you are intense effort maker. Are you not? Acha. Blessings. May you become sensible and do 3 types of service at the same time and become an embodiment of success. At present, according to the time, 3 types of service through thoughts, words and action have to happen at the same time. Baba is saying, along with serving through your words and action, also continue to serve with your mind through your pure thoughts and elevated attitude. You will then receive the fruit of that, because words are filled with power when your mind is powerful. Otherwise, you become like Pandit who just speak about it because they simply read everything and repeat it like parrots. A Jnani soul, that is a sensible person, does all 3 types of service at the same time and thereby receives the blessings of success. And thereby receives the blessing of success. Slogan: to give the experience of peace, power and happiness through one's words, action and drishti is the greatness of great souls. To give the experience of peace, power and happiness through one's words, actions and drishti is the greatness of great souls. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.